The world of AI is moving from general chatbots to specialized agents, and a new platform called Emergent.ai is jumping right into that trend. In this video, we're doing a full detailed overview of this AI apps builder. We'll be dissecting its promises, its potential, and its pitfalls based solely on what's available on their official website. My goal is to save you time and give you a clear, unbiased look at whether Emergent.ai can live up to the hype. So, if you're looking for a clear breakdown of the benefits and drawbacks of Emergent.ai, you're in the right place. Let's not waste any more time and dive right in. Emergent.ai positions itself not just as another app builder, but as a platform for creating what they term specialized AI workers. The core idea is to build custom AI agents that can automate complex tasks and workflows for your business. The process seems straightforward. You define a task, provide some basic context and instructions, and then Emergent.ai builds a custom worker tailored to that specific job. These workers can then be integrated directly into your website or web application, functioning as an embedded member of your team. The platform promises to handle tasks from start to finish, learning from your provided data to execute processes autonomously. A key benefit highlighted is the ability to create these AI workers without any coding required, making it accessible for users who may not have a technical background. They also emphasize the collaborative nature of their AI, suggesting it works alongside human teams to enhance productivity rather than just replacing steps. However, a potential drawback is the reliance on the quality of the data and instructions you provide. The effectiveness of your specialized worker is entirely dependent on your initial input. The platform is currently in a demo phase, inviting users to join a waitlist, which might mean it's not yet available for widespread use and could have some evolving features. Ultimately, Emergent.ai presents an ambitious vision for task-specific automation, but its real-world performance and scalability for complex business needs remain to be fully seen by the general public. The platform offers 4 main pricing tiers: Standard, Pro, Team, and an Enterprise option. The Standard plan costs $20 per month and includes 100 credits, mobile app development, private apps, and the ability to save work to GitHub. The Pro plan, at $200 monthly, includes everything in Standard plus a larger context window, ultra thinking, system prompt editing, custom agent building, a more powerful machine, 750 credits, and priority support. The Team plan is $300 per month and builds on the Pro features with a shared pool of 1250 credits, central billing, a collaborative workspace for up to 5 members. For larger needs, there is a custom Enterprise plan. Discounts are available for annual payments. If you enjoyed this detailed overview, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let me know what other AI tools you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, Ron Oakes.